Hi and welcome to my channel. I will talk a little bit about fake outs and traps. This is a common way for the market to get liquid and changing and getting some money. The chart is US 500 and Nasdaq and on a 50 minutes time frame chart. Here you can clearly see the market is trending up. It's not a great momentum. You can see why, because the volume is decreasing here, and as we see that, we can assume that the trend is not going to be long. So the market is going into a range. They're traveling sideways on a low volume, but as you see here, the volume is increasing and the buyers going in, but the sellers say no, we won't get up, we will get down. So they get in a negative trend with some pullbacks, and as we see in this place on a relative high volume, here's a fight between buyers and sellers, and this is a special zone because this is a liquid zone. Here they got and traps both buyers and sellers to get their stop loss. It's a place for the liquids to be grabbed. So in this place you can see the engulfer candle here. That's a start sign for a trend and momentum up, because they have loaded up a lot of money here. So we got a great momentum starting with the engulfing candle, and it rises with the good momentum trending, small pullbacks but great green candles up. And you can also see here in the lower low here, the bounce very good at the VWAP on a yellow line and the pivot niveau. So it get a real good bounce up to the high here. And as they say, all good must have an end. So the sellers get into the market and get a pullback, and the market starts ranging and going sideways again. This is a typical part of the market. You should be aware of it. You should learn a lot of this pattern with the fake out, because this is very common. You can earn a lot of money if you be aware, have the patience to wait for the market to do their thing, and then grab it maybe around here to get good money. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment this video. Thank you for your support. Have a nice day.